Good afternoon and welcome to your 1BT Assembly. We are very excited to teach you all about treasure and art here with Topic ITC.
Can you guess what Treasure Island is about?
That is why Pirates Island, treasure and much more. Future churches stop this and why pirates? Because they are.
We hope you enjoy the assembly.
'Twas a sunny day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea."
'Twas a windy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea."
'Twas a rainy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea."
'Twas a snowy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea."
'Twas a stormy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, forwards, backwards.
Here are some fun facts about pirates.
This flag is called the Jolly Roger. Lots of pirates flew this flag. When other pirates saw this flag, they knew they were in trouble ahead. Lot of pirates wore gold and silver jewelry because they believed it gave them good eyesight. Some pirates wear an eye hat. It is believed that they did this to make its eyes stronger so they could see in the dark. Some pirates did have nicknames that were given by their crewmates. These nicknames were usually based on the pirate's looks, personality, or what they did. Here is how you can speak like a pirate. Have a go at making yourself like a growl. Say the letter R for all of your words. We have pirate now. Don't say the letter H in any word. For example, we heard that what we are deaf. Sheep taxi is kind. Oh no! Land hard means land up ahead. Go is something you say when you are happy. In our RPC topic, we have been learning about pirates and their jobs. Here is what we want to be in the pirate ship. I want to be a quartermaster, and a quartermaster is like a boss in the pirate ship. I want to be a quartermaster, and a quartermaster decides who is gonna be punished. I am the captain of the ship. I am the quartermaster. I decide on the person. We are the gunners. We clean all the guns. I am the captain. I am the boss. I am a doctor. I have all of 6 pirates. I am the gunner. I make sure the gun safe and clean. I was the gunner. I am the captain. I rule the ship. I am craftsman. If every time when the boat is broken, I fix it. I am the cook. I cook for the pirate. War. I am the quartermaster. I decide who did right and who did wrong. I'm the captain. I'm the boss. I do the ship. We are the captain. We are the boss. We decide the rules. I am major. I am pirate.
Thank you so much for joining our assemblies. To finish, we would like to share with you one more song